Jinar is one of the most influential suppliers of valve bag making machines with high cost effectiveness, efficiency, and quality for global customers, relying on its parent company Garchun Group's technological power and R&D strength in the packaging industry. Thanks to years of relentless efforts, we have launched the latest version of valve sack making machine, which adopts up to 16 independently created patent inventions. Upon being launched, the machine was quickly embraced by the market and won favor of numerous customers. More importantly, our valve bag making machines with high cost effectiveness, efficiency, and return are increasingly preferred over other counterpart products in China. Meanwhile, we are also taking more Chinese market share from our world-leading foreign competitors like Starlinger and W&H. From 2022 onwards, Jinar's valve sack making machine was exported to overseas markets. To provide better services for customers from across the world, Garchun International was established to be responsible of Jinar valve bag making machines, sales and services abroad. To produce valve bag making machines in an intelligent manner is not possible without powerful technical capabilities. We are fully supported by our parent company, Garchun Group. It is one of the intellectual property pilot companies of Xiamen Principality and Little Giant firms of high technology of China. The group has acquired certifications of ISO 9001, 2008 Quality Management System, and CE. The Garchun Group sticks to independent technological innovation to create core patent technologies, owning over 140 invention patents and utility model patents. Moreover, it has an R&D and service team with over 10 years of experience in high-end smart packaging machines. The team has been dedicated to providing advanced technological support and professional services for customers for long. The parent company's technological power boosts the development of Jinar. We have complete valve bag making machine workshops, which are home to a set of cutting-edge production equipment and testing tools. They can help us conduct strict quality control on every machine we make. Jinar's intelligent valve bag making equipment is a premium block-bottom plastic valve bag making machine running at a production speed of up to 100 to 120 bags per minute. The machine adopts over 16 patent inventions, which can maintain the machine's stable and efficient operation while reducing huge costs for customers. For example, the triangle-shaped bag opening mechanism, independently invented by us, has no consumable suction cups and supports the machine to work efficiently and stably, lowering the daily maintenance costs. Another patent invention is bottom reinforcing patch transfer mechanism by using absorbing roller. The invention boosts the product qualification rate by preventing the valve bag sides from folding and benefiting the sticking results of single-sided laminating films. Every machine can reduce material loss worth of some $60,000 annually. Besides, we use a data monitoring system and cloud control technology to collect data and remote machine diagnosis, promoting your efficient production and easy maintenance.